Hello everyone, my name is Pavium, and today we're just going to be playing some carriers. I'm going to be taking out the Tier 5 American carrier, the Bogue. Comes with one fighter squadron, one torpedo squadron, and one dive bomber squadron. It's a pretty nice ship. It's not too bad, although it does get outclassed in some Japanese carrier games due to the fact that most Japanese aircraft carriers, they have more planes than the Americans do, which is unfortunate at times, but I guess we just have to make do with what we have. Alright. Pretty standard game. Map lineup looks pretty good, although they do have some high tier ships on the enemy team, but we'll see what happens. Alright.
General quarters. Autopilot mode enabled.
Here we are. Now the only difference between the normal ships and the aircraft carriers is in the aircraft carriers you play as a top-down view, which is actually just pretty fun, and of course you can set waypoints like that.
Group 3, ready for takeoff.
I go ahead and set out my fighters. I'm going to be going to scout the center of the map.
Group 4, ready for takeoff.
Groups 3 and 4. Just going to do a normal takeoff route.
Airborne.
And here our fighters are, as they magically split apart from one aircraft into 5. Da 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 da! Physics! So yeah, 6 aircraft in our fighter squad.
Airborne.
And of course, we have our dive bombers over here. And we have our dive bombers, our torpedo bombers, all ready to go.
Group 3, awaiting instructions.
Right, so there is our first ship that we spotted.
Group 4, awaiting instructions.
We actually could be super cheeky and might be able to score a few early hits early on, but I mean, we'll see what happens. Now he is going for a torpedo bomb run over there. And those are going to hit. There's nothing I can do about that. And this guy just seems like he wants to waste his fighters, so I'm down with this. We do have anti-aircraft support, which is fantastic, so if he wants to waste his planes, I can gladly accept that. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and send out fighters and bombers to bomb this battleship, and maybe we can make a dent. Yep, and there we go. Our planes are able to succeed. Fantastic.
Group 2, awaiting instructions. Group 2, we're under attack. We're under attack. Group 2, standing by for instructions.
Oh my god, whoa, that's a lot of anti-air. Jeez. Okay, group 2, you guys need to go home.
Target. Group 4, engaging enemy. Group 4, we're under attack. Group 4, returning to ship. Returning to ship.
Come on, not a single torpedo hit. Dude, this is why I need to be level 6, because the manual torpedoes are 1,000 times better than the freaking automatic drops. Like, they... Ugh. Well, we almost lost our entire fighter squadron just because we were simply in the wrong area at the wrong time, so pretty much just going to do a complete plane reset. Our torpedo bombers almost got killed. Completely not worth it. And on that note, I'm probably just going to... Well, we're actually doing a lot of damage here. Holy crap. Oh, he's on fire. He is burning. Alright, I'm happy with that. So we got 22,000 damage done already. The first strike was... It cost a lot. I mean, it put us back quite a bit, but... I can't really complain much. Now, I am going to put... some of my planes over here. They do have this kind of horde going. Just good on them. And if we ever get to that waypoint, I'm just going to kind of waypoint us down here.
Group 3, ready for takeoff. Group 4, ready for takeoff.
Our damage finally stopped coming in from the enemy battleship that we just took out.
Group 3, airborne.
And the enemy carrier seems to be somewhere over here. So... Since this carrier looks like a pretty good target, so let's go ahead and try to target him. We might lose some planes here, but if we can do some damage, that'll really help the team. And I'm going to station my fighters over here on the right-hand flank, or left-hand. Oh wait, is it alright? Yeah. I'm not too sure, but we're going to station them over here, because these guys keep getting bombed, and that's not cool, so...
Awaiting instructions. Taking fire.
Alright, so our planes are going in. Let's hope they work.
Group 4, taking fire.
Come on, boys. Come on. Come on. You guys can do it.
Group 4, engaging enemy. Approaching target.
Torpedoes coming in.
Group 4, returning.
I don't think those torpedoes are going to hit. Dude, Jesus Christ.
Group 3, returning.
Torpedo bombers are basically useless. These upper tiers, like, my goodness. It's pretty bad when you think about it. Oh, we got a hit! We hit another cruiser by accident. Okay. That works, I guess. I'm actually just going to just turn the ship and just kind of move on in. In the meantime, fighters are going to engage over here. There we go. Cleaning them up. Although it seems like we're doing well, this match is far from over.
Target destroyed.
We just completely destroyed an enemy squadron of torpedo bombers, which is, you know, good on us. I'm gonna head over back to the center of the map and see what I can spot here. We got a lot of people over here. A lot of problems that could possibly be had over for us. The enemy carrier is down, so we have air superiority, which is fantastic.
Group 3, ready for takeoff. Group 4, ready.
This guy looks like a good target right here. He's just standing there, so why not we... It'd be rude not to shoot at him, so let's go ahead and move in and try to do some damage there.
Airborne. We're under attack.
Torpedo spread being fired at these smoke screens.
Group 4, airborne.
Okay, we're going to actually change targets here. Go for the Arizona. That's the bigger target. It's the bigger threat.
Group 2, standing by
It's also
for
slower,
instructions.
so... just get our planes in the area.
Group 3 taking fire.
And that's an enemy destroyer.
Group 2 awaiting instructions. Engaging enemy. Attack. To ship.
Oh boy.
Waypoint reached. Engaging enemy. Destination reached. We're under attack.
And of course, our torpedo bombers are getting lit the fuck up. Oh boy. And none of our torpedoes made it. Fantastic. Love it.
Group 3 destroyed.
And yeah. Jeez, dude.
Group 2 destroyed.
We don't have enough planes in the American tech tree to deal with this stuff. Like, we just don't.
Autopilot mode enabled.
I mean, that's kind of the sad truth about it. Like, there's not enough planes. I mean, this is a fully upgraded Tier 5 American carrier, and I'm already out of planes, and the match is only 10 minutes in. And I haven't made too many bad decisions. I mean, I made normal moves, or, I mean, there's some engagements, yeah, sure, I could have, you know, not have done, but I mean, overall, as far as, like,
Ready for takeoff.
I just don't think there's enough. I mean, the replacements you get, you only get like 2 fighters, 4 torpedo bombers, and 4 dive bombers. And your torpedo bombers are the ones that actually do the damage, and you don't even have enough. Which is annoying.
Target, we're under attack. Returning.
And of course, now we got a destroyer coming after us. Never ends. Yep, he's coming straight for us. Which means all I can do is just turn the ship. We are actually in danger of losing. I mean, like, we're capping, and we might be able to win, but I mean, there's a small possibility that we might not at the same time. Trying to get to this island.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Yep, detected again. There's a stupid destroyer. He's gonna launch torpedoes at me, because that's what destroyers do. Launch more dive bombers. Turn the ship. Yep, he's going to do point blank torpedoes. Those are torpedoes in the water. They're coming.
Torpedoes to start.
Yep, there they are. Trying to turn. Trying to turn the ship. It's not going to work.
Engage below the waterline. Returning to ship.
This is not good. I mean, this isn't good at all. Like, we're gonna die. We do have a lot of fire support coming in from our allies, which is fantastic, because we need it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and line up another dive bomb strike, because we're probably gonna... Yes! Oh my god. I love it when things work out.
Ready.
Okay.
Maintaining present course.
And now we have a nice carrier escort, or cruiser escort, so that's cool. Love it, love it. We have a lone Arizona, so let's see if we can do some damage. I'm really hoping we can.
Taking fire.
Alright, come on boys, get stuck in.
Engaging enemy.
Started some fires. It's not bad, not a bad little run at all. Fire, he is burning. He hasn't used his repair, so he's going to be burning. Yep, there's the repair. Okay. So next strike, I might be able to take him out.
Autopilot mode enabled.
44,000 damage. It's not bad at all. There's a destroyer right there. Well, right now we have plenty of dive bomber reserves, which is great. So I just got to get a little bit closer to the action so we can launch our planes a little bit quicker. Get our planes up in the air where they can do the most.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
That Arizona is going to die before I can get there, which is fine. There's a destroyer sitting in the smoke screen down here. Yep, Arizona's dead. Fantastic.
Maintaining present course.
It's a really close game. I mean, it could go either way right now. It can go our way, it can go their way. So it's really important for me to land these consecutive hits. I'm going to try to get some destroyers out of the game, because that's really what we need to focus on. Just getting rid of the enemy destroyers. Battleship, I mean, he's not going anywhere. He's always going to be right here in this little grid. The destroyers, they can get across the map a whole lot faster. So, sending out my dive bombers, try to go scout and see if I can nail a destroyer that's down here. I don't know where he went, so. Kind of looking around for him. He just used a smoke screen, so he shouldn't be too far away. Can't really do much against that. Okay, well, although this really does worry me now, because the fact that there's destroyers lurking around, that's never good news. So I'm gonna go for the New Mexico and see what I can do, unless I find one of those destroyers. We don't necessarily have that much HP to spare, so it's going to be really important for me to try not to die. Oh, there's one. Found one of those little buggers. Going in for a dive bomb run.
Approaching target.
Yes!
Enemy destroyer blown up. Returning
See,
to
we needed that. Okay, good.
waypoint
That's
reached.
exactly what we needed. So now we need to
Destination
kill
reached.
one more destroyer and we'll be a-okay.
Autopilot mode enabled.
I'm trying to stick with my team here.
Waypoint reached.
Yeah, there's still a New
Destination
Mexico over
reached.
here, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and try to steam south.
Autopilot mode enabled.
I can't really take that many hits, but I can do a little bit. If I can just get past a little opening, I'll be okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna go dive bomb to New Mexico again, because dive bombing in Mexico is always fun. He is turning, so I am actually going to kind of go this way to avoid his guns, but I have a feeling that he might actually be able to do more damage to me. So let's see if I can see what I can do. I don't even think we're going to be able to last long. So I'm going to fall back. My team is going to kind of die soon, which is unfortunate.
Maintaining present course.
Don't really have much choice left. We are detected.
Taking fire.
He is on fire right now. Let's see if we can make it worse. I really hope we can, because we need to. We really need this New Mexico to die.
Returning to ship.
He's already on fire. He's about 28,000. I'm gonna retreat behind this island for now. I just really hope his guns aren't targeting me, and it doesn't look like they are. But we almost got him, which is good. And the battle is almost over, and this is going to be a draw, I think. Oh, the battleship's dead. Oh, and it's a win. Alright, fantastic. Well, that concludes a very nice carrier game. Came third on the team with 1,230 base XP. Did 48,000 total damage with a good, nice credit gain of 160,000 with some XP as well. And that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.